Hey Fiverr, how are you doing? My name is Edward, and if you're a coach, if you're an agency, and you want an appointment setter with AI that books calls, qualifies leads, does follow-ups, everything on autopilot, you can send us a DM and we'll let you test a free demo. Okay, you can test it before buying it to see if you actually like it. So yeah, the best thing is that the leads will not know they are chatting with an AI. It feels like a human, so it's fantastic. It's working great. Just send us a DM and let's have a chat. Thank you.
I've been trying Edward's chatbot for a couple of weeks now, and honestly at the beginning I was a little bit skeptical and afraid also because I wasn't sure I wanted to replace my real human setters with AI. But after testing the performance for a couple of weeks, I can say like they're freaking good. Okay, they're really good. You cannot tell at all that you're actually speaking with a bot, with an AI. It is amazing that the way it speaks, the way it, also here's the thing, like the way it tries to connect with the person that it's speaking to, and also like it really understands what's the procedure, how to connect with this person, trying to look for the pain points, and honestly like it's been booking a lot of calls. And here's the best part, it always does follow-ups, okay, because that's the problem that I used to have with Sunset.